Right, in this video I'm going to restore this antique Stihl FS51 AVE. It's pretty old, maybe like 80s or I assume something like 90s, beginning of 90s. It has really hard time to start, so I'm going to see what I can do. It starts, but it needs some cleaning, so I'm going to take this part out. I'm going to see what I can do with the fuel system, because it's really, I had to disassemble it. It's just stiff, you know, like the fuel line is basically like stone, so it hasn't been serviced for a while. And yeah, so I'm going to take out the cover. It's H5, so I'm going to use the H5 for this. So it's like, it must be 6 or 7 of those screws in here. Really excited to see if I can actually start and make it working, because it looks very cool and it's quite light in comparison with other grass trimmers. It's kind of vintage. Pretty cool if it can. If it can run, and I can use it in the garden for cleaning bushes, for cleaning some parts of the yard where the robot doesn't go. It's really cute engine. Not sure how many cubic centimeters, maybe 30 or 40. Yeah, so now I need to disassemble this line. I'm going to take the let me see if I can show it. So first you need to put the throttler out, and then you need to push it as much as you can, have it out. But also what you can do is to remove that part that is holding the whole line, because it will be much easier for me to just do it like this. Now it's out. Yeah, so this is the standard clutch. You can see it from this side. I'm going to show it. The standard clutch that you find on many of similar grass cutters. Alright. So we have the carburetor. It's Walbrook carburetor. It's many of these small things usually have. They're quite reliable, but you need to service them. Sometimes you need to change the diaphragm. Right, this one is a little bit worn out, so I have to probably will need to replace it, or yeah, I need to see what I can do with that, because it might slip and it won't be a nice thing to have. The carburetor, the whole thing I will need to clean also. actually to burn down this port. So let me see. Yeah, I'm going to see what I can do with this one. First I have the air filter. We have the air filter. Let me see. Adjust it. We have the air filter. Air filter goes out. Alright, so one more. I mean, those engines really cute, but they're quite powerful, so even though it's not heavy, but it will be enough power to cut the branches. Okay. It needs cleaning, definitely. This port too. Yeah, it looks good. Really like the way how they build the air filters and the cases for those. So you have the choke, have the thing going in, but it's been a lot of oil here, so probably the previous owner just put a lot of oil to make it clean, but I'll just soak it in the gasoline and make everything look nice. Alright, so this is the gasket is fairly reusable. Okay, so this is the carburetor. Well, I think it's stuck, so I'm going to give it a little bit help. Yeah, so I probably will need to do something with this gasket and with the whole carburetor. It looks oily, so I'm going to use the let's see what I can use. Maybe the ultrasound cleaner for this carburetor. Alright, so this one looks okay. Now I will take the muffler out. Actually, this is the card for the muffler. Yeah. I'm going to need a heater to take the muffler out. It looks clogged, so we'll see. Well, meanwhile I can perhaps take the flywheel. Let me see if I can easily do it. Nope. I'm going to need the head. Let's see what's this. Let's see what this is all about. It's 14mm head. No, I'm afraid I will break it because it looks very fragile, especially the flywheel. But what I can do meanwhile, I can try to see if the muffler can go out. Remove all these screws. I'm going to fix later. Really hard. Yeah, it's really stiff. Really stiff. So I have to use all good heating gun. Done. Nope, it doesn't go. It doesn't go. What else I can try? I can try actually. To use a little bit different approach. So I'm going to use the wrench with the slotted screwdriver. Yeah. Yes. So one is out. Now it's the next one. Perfect. Right, so that's the cover. Isn't it cute? Really, the muffler.